So at the very beginning of the project, we all met in Philadelphia. It was geographically sort of in the middle. And we came into the meeting with all kinds of heady ideas of how to do a new edition of the Norton Anthology of World Literature. We are roughly the same age. We very much felt that we wanted to make it an anthology for our generation, for the new generation, one that would hopefully last for a long time or lay the groundwork for future editions as well. So we had all worked in world literature, we had been teaching world literature, we had all kinds of ideas about it, and we got together to discuss them, to discuss these new concepts we were going to introduce, fancy new ways of doing world literature, and then something really important happened, namely that Pete, our Norton editor, put in front of us a large stack of printouts from the questionnaire Norton had done, asking teachers across the country to put down what kinds of texts they wanted, how they're using the anthology, how they imagined the anthology should be. And going through that stack of questionnaires, seeing what teachers and students really needed this anthology to be, was a crucial experience, I think, for all of us, because it made us realize that this wasn't our anthology, that this wasn't about our fancy ideas of doing world literature. It was about the teachers and students who actually use the anthology and their needs and their purposes, their teaching. It was about the classrooms in which this anthology was going to be used. So this was an incredibly important moment right in the beginning of the meeting, and it made us rethink our whole approach to the anthology. It got us away from our own concerns and ideas and concepts and reoriented us to the teachers and students who actually use the anthology.